Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel name, where today we're diving into the vast and mysterious universe. We're about to embark on a journey to the most fascinating corners of the cosmos, where we'll uncover mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. From diamond planets to galactic cannibalism, we'll explore the strange, the beautiful, and the downright unbelievable. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the top 10 most interesting facts about space. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this cosmic journey. Let's kick things off with a real gem. Astronomers have discovered planets like 55 Cancri E that could be composed largely of diamond. Imagine a world where everything sparkles. This planet, twice the size of Earth, orbits a star called 55 Cancri, located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. 55 Cancri E orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, completing an orbit in just 18 hours. The intense heat and pressure on 55 Cancri E, combined with its carbon composition, create the perfect conditions for diamond formation. Scientists estimate that the planet's diamond value could be in the quadrillions of dollars. Of course, getting our hands on those diamonds is a whole other story. The very idea of a diamond planet sparks the imagination and reminds us of the incredible diversity of worlds that might exist beyond our solar system. Next up, we have rogue planets, planets that drift through space without orbiting a star. These cosmic wanderers are both intriguing and mysterious as they roam the galaxy alone. These nomadic worlds, ejected from their star systems by gravitational interactions, wander the cosmos as solitary celestial objects. Some scientists believe they form in the same way as stars, from collapsing clouds of gas and dust. The existence of rogue planets challenges our traditional understanding of planetary systems and raises intriguing questions about the potential for life in these unconventional environments. In space, no one can hear you scream, literally. Space is a vacuum, which means there's no air to carry sound. Think about how sound travels on Earth. When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate, creating sound waves that travel through the air, reaching our ears and allowing us to hear. But in the vacuum of space, there are no air molecules for sound waves to vibrate. Astronauts communicating with each other or with mission control rely on radio waves, a form of electromagnetic radiation that can travel through the vacuum of space. Imagine the eerie silence experienced by astronauts during spacewalks, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of our planet and the vastness of space. The silence of space is a stark reminder of the unique conditions of our home planet and the importance of our atmosphere in supporting life as we know it. Meet neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. These stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about as much as all of humanity. Neutron stars spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation from their poles. These beams, like cosmic lighthouses, sweep across space, and if they happen to align with Earth, we detect them as pulsars. The discovery of pulsars in the 1960s revolutionized our understanding of stellar evolution. Neutron stars are not only incredibly dense but also incredibly hot, with surface temperatures reaching millions of degrees. Their powerful magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's, can distort the fabric of space-time, creating exotic phenomena that continue to fascinate astronomers. These stellar remnants have become essential tools for probing the fundamental laws of physics and the nature of gravity itself. Have you ever wondered why shadows on the moon are so dark and sharp? It's because the moon has no atmosphere to scatter light, creating stark contrast between light and shadow. Here on Earth, our atmosphere acts like a giant diffuser, scattering sunlight in all directions. This scattering is why we have bright, sunlit days even when the sun is hidden behind clouds. But on the moon, it's a different story. With no atmosphere to speak of, there's nothing to scatter the sunlight. When the sun shines on the moon, the light travels in a straight line, creating sharp, well-defined shadows wherever an object blocks the light. This lack of atmosphere also explains why the lunar sky appears black, even during the day. The next time you look up at the moon, take a moment to appreciate the stark beauty of its shadows, a reminder of the profound influence our atmosphere has on our perception of the world around us. Binary stars are systems where two stars orbit each other, locked in a gravitational dance. Some even eclipse one another, creating stunning displays of celestial choreography. These stellar pairs, known as binary stars, are surprisingly common in our galaxy, perhaps making up as much as half of all the stars in the Milky Way. Some binary stars orbit each other at vast distances, taking centuries or even millennia to complete a single orbit. Others are locked in a much tighter embrace, whirling around each other in a matter of days or even hours. One particularly fascinating type of binary star system is called an eclipsing binary. In these systems, the orbital plane of the two stars is aligned so precisely with our line of sight that, from our perspective on Earth, the stars pass in front of each other as they orbit. These eclipses cause periodic dips in the combined brightness of the two stars, a telltale sign that astronomers use to identify binary star systems. By studying these eclipses, astronomers can learn a great deal about the properties of the individual stars, such as their masses, sizes, and temperatures. Binary stars are not merely celestial curiosities, they play a crucial role in our understanding of stellar evolution. Galaxies can be cannibals. Larger galaxies, like our Milky Way, can merge with and devour smaller galaxies, growing bigger in the process. Driven by the relentless pull of gravity, they engage in a cosmic ballet, sometimes colliding and merging in spectacular displays of celestial fireworks. These galactic mergers are not a quick affair. They can take billions of years to unfold. As galaxies approach each other, their gravitational fields begin to interact, distorting their shapes and flinging streams of stars and gas into intergalactic space. In some cases, a larger galaxy will completely engulf a smaller galaxy, absorbing its stars, gas, and dust. This process, known as galactic cannibalism, is how galaxies grow and evolve over cosmic time. Our own Milky Way galaxy is no stranger to this galactic feast. Astronomers have found evidence that the Milky Way has consumed several smaller galaxies in the past, and it's currently in the process of merging with a dwarf galaxy called the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal Galaxy. Dark matter and dark energy make up about 95% of the universe, yet they remain some of the biggest mysteries. Invisible and undetectable, they shape the structure and fate of the cosmos. Dark matter, as its name suggests, doesn't interact with light, making it invisible to our telescopes. Yet, its gravitational influence is undeniable, holding galaxies together and influencing the large-scale structure of the universe. Dark energy, on the other hand, is even more enigmatic. It's a repulsive force working against gravity and causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. The quest to understand dark matter and dark energy is one of the most compelling frontiers in modern astrophysics. Scientists are developing new telescopes and experiments hoping to shed light on these elusive entities and unlock the secrets of the unseen universe. The search for answers continues, driving us to explore the universe with ever-increasing curiosity and wonder. Our sun is a powerhouse. It generates enough energy every second to power our civilization for millions of years. The sun, the source of life on Earth, is a colossal fusion reactor, converting hydrogen into helium at its core and releasing an astonishing amount of energy in the process. Every second, the sun releases more energy than humanity has consumed throughout its entire history. This energy, radiating outward in the form of light and heat, sustains life on our planet and drives our weather patterns. Occasionally, it unleashes powerful bursts of energy known as solar flares. These eruptions, often associated with sunspots, release intense bursts of radiation that can disrupt communications and power grids on Earth. Solar flares are a reminder of the sun's awesome power and the importance of understanding space weather. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, predicting and mitigating the effects of solar storms becomes ever more crucial. The sun, our nearest star, is a constant reminder of the immense power and beauty of the universe. Finally, did you know that the universe is expanding? Not only that, but the rate of expansion is accelerating, pushing galaxies farther apart at an increasing speed. The cosmos is constantly growing and evolving. Imagine a universe that's not static, not confined to a fixed size, but rather one that's constantly stretching, growing, and evolving. This discovery, one of the most profound in the history of astronomy, means that the fabric of space-time itself is stretching, carrying galaxies along with it like rafts on an expanding ocean. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. This acceleration, discovered in the late 1990s, suggests that a mysterious force, dubbed dark energy, is at work, counteracting gravity and pushing the universe apart at an ever-increasing rate. The implications of an expanding universe are profound. It means that the universe had a beginning, a point in time we call the Big Bang, and it suggests a future where galaxies become increasingly isolated from one another as the space between them continues to stretch. Space is truly the final frontier, full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. From diamond planets to the accelerating expansion of the universe, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. Thanks for joining us on this interstellar adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep looking up.